Exploring the savanna, the birds that call it home. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore the savanna and meet the incredible birds that inhabit this unique ecosystem. If you're keen on enhancing your English language skills while learning about nature, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into the world of birds of the savanna and discover the beauty and diversity of these avian species. Before we meet our feathered friends, let's understand what the savanna is. The savanna is a mixed grassland ecosystem characterized by the trees being sufficiently small or widely spaced so that the canopy does not close. This allows sunlight to reach the ground and enables the grass to thrive. Savannas are found in many parts of the world, including Africa, South America, Australia, and India. They are home to a diverse array of wildlife, including a spectacular variety of birds. Now, let's meet the stars of our video, the birds of the savanna. This ecosystem supports a wide range of bird species, each adapted to the savanna's unique conditions. Some of the most iconic birds include the African fish eagle, recognizable by its powerful build and distinctive call. It's a symbol of freedom and strength. The secretary bird, known for its long legs and unique hunting style, it walks the savanna in search of prey. The lilac-breasted roller, admired for its stunning plumage of 12 different colors, making it one of the most beautiful birds in the world. The ostrich, the world's largest bird, capable of fast speeds over short distances, and a fascinating example of savanna wildlife. Each of these birds has adapted to thrive in the savanna environment, showcasing the incredible biodiversity of this ecosystem. Birds of the savanna have developed unique adaptations to survive and thrive in the open, grassy landscapes. Some of these adaptations include long legs for walking through tall grasses or wading in water, sharp vision to spot prey from a distance, powerful beaks for hunting or foraging for food, camouflaged plumage to blend into the environment, either to avoid predators or surprise prey. Understanding these adaptations can give us insight into the daily lives of these birds and how they interact with their environment. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the savanna and learned something new about the incredible birds that call it home. The savanna is a vibrant ecosystem full of life, and its birds are just one example of the beauty and diversity of nature. Keep exploring and learning about the world around you, and your English skills will soar just like the birds of the savanna. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next adventure. Remember, the beauty of learning English, or any language, is not just in mastering grammar or vocabulary, but in how it opens up a world of cultures, stories, and knowledge. The journey of language learning is endless and full of surprises, much like the vast and varied landscapes of the savanna.